How to use Sendit on Snapchat? Ask me anything. So make sure your Snapchat is updated. If not, go to your app store and update it. After updating, download the Sendit app. After updating and downloading the two applications that we need, go open the Sendit app. When you first open, you need to tap on this Let's Go button and it will take you to the Snapchat app. This will connect your logged in account to the Sendit app. Wait for this to load, and Snapchat will ask you for permission to connect this app to your profile. So just click on continue and this page should appear. Click on share. You will then be delivered to Snapchat again. Allow paste to display your send it link. Once this blue box is shown, you can take a picture or video to post with your send it link. You can design it, and once you're ready, you can click on send and post it on your story. Once you posted this, your viewers can ask you anything through this send it link. So that is how you use send it on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.